Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to this channel Indo Class. Today we're going to learn about past perfect continuous tense. This is a part of 16 grammar, and one of this grammar is past perfect continuous. Did you know about this past perfect continuous? It means for past time you do anything in the last time, and perfect you do anything perfectly complete. You do this task from starting until the end of the task. Continuous, you do anything still in processing. Continuous. And the indicator for past, you have to use with verb to. And perfect, you can use have for verb 1 because you use this perfect, so you have to use had as verb 2. And indicator, you use continuous, you always using verb ing. Okay, I will write in here. Indicator for past time, you use verb 2. And for perfect, it's same, you use verb 2, and verb 2 of have is had. And for this continuous, you always using verb ing. You always add ing after verb. The description about this past perfect continuous, it is used to express ongoing nature of an action that occurred continuously before another event in the past. It is formed by combining had been with the present participle verb ing of the main verb. Timeline for this past perfect continuous, your position in here in the past time, and timeline now in here position, timeline future on here position. And for past perfect continuous, your position in here, you do anything perfectly. Starting from here and in the end of here. You can see us on this temple for past perfect continuous, this form like this: subject, had, been, and then plus with verb ing. Had indicator as perfect, and you do in the past time, had, using had. Don't use have for verb 1 perfect, but because you do this action in the past time, so you have to use had as verb to and perfect. Verb ing because you still on processing on this action, verb ing, and subject as actor who doing this task. You can see on this structure for positive, negative, and interrogative sentence. For positive sentence, the structure like this: subject, had, been, and verb ing. Don't forget you put been after had and before ing. The example for positive sentence: they had been working on the project for months. They as subject, had you put here, been, verb ing, work ing, working. You put ing in here after words work on the project for months. This is time. This is timing for doing this work for 1 month. Next example, we've been studying French for years. With from we had. So you can make it short. It becomes like this: with been studying French for years. This is same with before. Don't forget put been, ing, and timing for years. Next, for negative sentence, the structure, don't forget to put not after had. The structure similar, same with before, positive. The different just in word not. And position not after had, before been. Structure like this: subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb ing. For example, this sentence negative: they had not been attending the meetings regularly. They as subject, had, right, not you put here, been, ing, and this is timing for this action. They had not been attending the meetings regularly. Next example, we had not been exercising regularly. He as subject, had, perfect, not as negative sentence, been exercising, verb ing, okay, regularly as timing. Next, for interrogative sentence, the structure, don't forget you put had in the first sentence. The location in here. The structure for interrogative sentence like this: had plus subject plus been plus verb ing. And don't forget you give sign in the last sentence. The example like this: had she been learning to play the piano for years? Had in the first sentence, subject, she been learning to play the piano for years. Next, had they been traveling all day? Had in the first sentence, they as subject, been traveling continues all day as timing. And don't forget you give sign in the last sentence. You can use these time words, the indicator for past perfect continuous. For example, you can use this word for since, lately, recently, all week, and this month. You can give these words or signal words or indicator words for past perfect continuous. You can put this word in the last sentence. You can see on this table the usage of this grammar past perfect continuous. The usage for number 1, action that were ongoing before another action in the past. Actions that were ongoing, still on process, ongoing before another action in the past. So in here there are two actions, and you do the first action before two action coming. For example, she had been waiting for the bus all morning when it finally arrived. Action number 1 is waiting, and then action number 2 is arrive. The structure same with before. We have learned about structure for positive sentence: subject, had been, verb ing, and this is timing all morning. And you can put conjunction in here with when, and this is another action when it finally arrived. Next, the usage of this grammar for number 2, duration leading up to a point in the past. Duration, how long time? It means duration leading up to a point in the past. For example, we had been studying French for years before we visited France. Duration in here 4 years. And this is the other action, visited. And you can put on this with conjunction before. The formula same with before. For positive sentence, we always using subject, had as perfect, studying as continuous, and you put timing. This timing is yours. Before we visited friends, and this is another actions. Next, for usage of this grammar. Emphasis on the duration of an action. For example, the team had been practicing for the competition tirelessly. The formula same with before: subject, had, verb ing. For the competition tirelessly. Next, for expressing cause and effect. He couldn't sleep because he had been drinking coffee all day. Effect: because you drink coffee, so make you couldn't sleep. You can put past perfect continuous in here. He had been drinking, and this is timing all day. And the effect you put on the first: he couldn't sleep, because this action in the past time, so you have to put could, not can. Could as verb 2 of can. He couldn't sleep because he had been drinking coffee all day. I hope you understand about what I am teaching you today about this grammar past perfect continuous. You can see on this timeline, structure, and the usage of this grammar. If you have any question, you can comment on below in this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment this video. See you next time. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.